Hello, everyone. My name is Jordan, and I'm one of our math and science learning consultants here at Delta College's Teaching and Learning Center. And today I wanted to take a moment to talk to you a little bit about how to take handwritten notes or homework and consolidate them into a single PDF document that you can upload to your e-learning or email to your instructor, whatever you may need to do with those documents. So the first step in this process is going to be to take a photo of your document. So I will do that on my phone here. Give me one moment to share my phone screen. Here we go. And I'm going to open my camera app here. And I have here just some practice from when I was practicing my Japanese letters. We'll take a photo of this side, and I'm going to use two photos here so that we can show also how to combine multiple pages into one document. Okay, I've taken a picture of both of these now, and I can exit that. And I will need to send these to myself. So I'm going to press this share button, go to Gmail so that I can email this to myself. This is an email that I use for email demonstrations and things. So if you do attempt to send something to this email, you won't really get a response because I don't use this email. So I'm going to send this to myself. I don't need a subject or anything. I just need to know where to go to get this email. And that is all I need to do on my phone. So I'll come back to Zoom and stop the share. Now I'll need to access my email from my computer. So let's go ahead and share my computer screen here. And I'll access my email through Gmail here. And I'm already logged in. You may have to log into your computer at this point. And I will go ahead and download all attachments here. I'll open this file. Just realized we are unable to see that. I can actually do this to make our lives a little easier. And here we are. So I have my two pictures here. They come in as a zip file. So I'm going to extract them. And it will ask you where you'd like to extract them. We can go to this browse button here. And I'll make a little folder in my documents called, just call it Japanese. And select folder and extract. And here they are. So now that we have our pictures downloaded, we'll want to access CamScanner. So I will go to camscanner.com here. And this is the program that we'll use to convert these photos into PDFs and to combine these into a single PDF. So I'll have to log in here. I'm going to stop the screen share for a moment to log in with my phone number here. I'm getting, there we go. All right. And let me start the share again here. To hide that. There we are. I can share my screen again. There we are. So at this point, we will go to, you'll see I actually already have some documents uploaded from earlier here. So we're going to go to Tools. We're going to come down here to Image to PDF because we're trying to convert images from our phone into a PDF document. And we're going to use the files in PC or Mac because we're uploading files from our own computer here. So we're going to go to Documents, Japanese. And if you'd like to upload multiple files at a time, you can hold down the Control-C, a little key that says CTRL on your keyboard, and click as many files as you like, and it will upload them at once. Otherwise, you can upload them one at a time using this Add Files button at the bottom. So at this point, we can come over to this Convert button. Not scrolling all the way over because in that upper right corner, it actually shows the phone number used to log in. So I'll keep that private, but there is this Convert button, and I'll press OK on that, and we'll let it process. And it may take a moment depending on how many documents you're converting and how large they are. So we'll see here, there's a button that says Save to Cam Scanner. You'll also see an arrow next to it. We're going to use this arrow, and we are going to download this document to our PC. The reason that we want to download this document is I have had some trouble sometimes using and converting documents that are already in Cam Scanner. So I will go ahead and save this and come back over to our Tools menu here. We should also take note of where you save that document. Very often it will prompt you with where you'd like to save the document. So what I would like to do here is, I suppose, first, make sure that my document looks okay here, because sometimes when you take photos with a phone like that, you will find that they come in sideways. So I went ahead and found my photos here in my downloads folder and opened the PDF file. And you'll see that, sure enough, the pictures came in sideways. So what I'm going to do is come to our Cam Scanner here again and find the Rotate PDF button here. And it'll take us to a similar page as before. I'll go back to Files in PC or Mac. And this time, I didn't save the document to my, my Japanese folder here. I saved it to my downloads. So I'll come to my downloads folder here and choose that file. And both of these files are turned the wrong way. So I'm going to press turn all to the right. And it looks like they are right side up now. It's also possible that they may come in upside down. So you can turn these as many times as you need. And you can also rotate the pages individually if some are in the correct orientation, but some are not. So I'll come over here to this application button. And that will, again, process our files for us. Again, taking care to not scroll too far over. And again, it gives us this option to save to CAM scanner, but because our document is fully prepared now, I'm going to go to download to PC and save file here. Now, if like my computer, your computer doesn't ask you where to save these files, typically you'll be able to open up your file explorer, go to this PC along the side and locate this downloads folder here. And usually it will be right there at the top. And now we see our documents there, nice and right side up. And that's all there is to it. From here, you're able to upload these to e-learning or to your email or wherever else you may need them. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. And I hope to see some of you this semester as well. All right, thank you.